So if there was ever any early criticism of Nolathane products, it was simply they were maybe just a little bit too hard and harsh. That's in the early days. That's understandable because they were actually derived out of a motorsport application where you need the material to be hard and harsh. But as time has moved on, these guys have managed to engineer their products down to, when installed in the car, to levels like rubber, remembering that manufacturers do use rubber in their cars as standard because they're nice and plush. And these guys have managed to achieve that over time, but without compromising the integrity, in fact, advancing the integrity of the material. So when we talk about how hard and how soft some of these products are, so I've got a couple of little samples here. What we do is use a thing called a durometer. We use it in motorsport to measure the hardness and softness of tyres. And if we go back to, say, back when these guys started out, the hardness was there we go, it was a 94. Now I can tell you, that's quite hard to bend. Now, if I stick my durometer on there, you'll see I will get 75. And how soft is that? Well, you can see there, pretty soft. Now, when we look at it over on our meter over here, I've put together a bit of a gauge. So back in the day, hard 94, motorsport application, perfect. Industrial, heavy-duty industrial applications, now only makes up 1% of the Nolathane range. Medium, which is now sort of 20 years ago that came on board and is still used in some really heavy-duty applications. But today, soft, at that 75 as we saw. And I know you're going to ask the very obvious question, of which I did originally do, how the hell do you do that and continue to make it stronger? Well, let's have a look at that.